Welcome into my life, guys. Welcome in. Let me see who is that person. Welcome in. Share the live. Who is this? Let me see who is this now. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome to my live. Welcome, guys. So, guys, welcome into my live today. I have carrots all washed and my beets washed. So I'm just gonna prepare them. I'm going to remove the skin for you. So this is what I use to remove the skin. If you don't have one like this, you can also use your knife to remove the skin, okay? No worries, all right? All right, guys. So I have carrot, beet, celery, and ginger of turmeric. So it's natural juice, all natural, no sugar, just natural. All right, guys. So, oops, I'm gonna wash this. Okay. Welcome into my life, guys. I am making natural carrot juice and beet. All right. Welcome in. Tag your friend. Welcome in. Welcome in. Tag your friend and welcome in. All right. So I'm just cleaning up the carrots. Tag your friend. Say hey. All right. So let me peel this beet. Maybe there's another way. Maybe I could even. Alright, so now this is ready. Let's clean up. Let's clean up, guys. Let's clean up. Put these aside. I'm gonna get ready to juice. Alright. internet keep going. So let's share it. Sorry guys, my internet is a bit. Just waiting on the life to build up to start juicing my carrots. Hi. Natural. Natural. Amazing juice. Celery, ginger, and turmeric. So nice. You can check it out. So nice, guys. So nice. So nice. This juice is awesome. You can go ahead and try it out. So that's it from me. My carrot and beet juice. All natural, guys. So until my next video, welcome. You missed my video. You missed my juicing of my natural juice, carrots and beets, all natural with celery and turmeric. Very nice. All natural, no sugar. It's very nice. Yes, guys, my internet. So you just missed it, guys. So see what I made. I made carrot with beetroot, celery, ginger, and turmeric. Alright, so until my next video, stay tuned. Bye for now. Bye.